Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by blooming the gelatin because it ensures smooth texture. Measure 1 package of flavored gelatin and sprinkle it over 1/2 cup cold water. Let it sit for 5 minutes until spongy. Meanwhile, warm 2 cups of milk gently. Do not boil, so it blends without shocking the gelatin. Once the milk is warm, stir in the sweetened condensed milk and a pinch of salt. This balances sweetness and helps the flan set evenly. Now you dissolve the bloomed gelatin. Combine it with 1 cup of warm milk over low heat, stirring until completely clear, no granules. Once dissolved, whisk that into the remaining milk and the sweetened condensed milk. This creates a homogeneous custard and prevents separation. Make sure to strain the mixture through a fine sieve into your warmed flan mold. Straining removes bubbles and bits that cause an uneven set. Once poured, gently tap the mold to release trapped air. Finish by chilling the flan for at least 4 hours, and preferably overnight, because slow cooling gives a clear, firm set. To unmold, run warm water briefly around the outside for 5 to 8 seconds. Don't let water get into the custard. Then invert onto a serving plate with a confident, steady motion. If your flan weeps or is soft, make sure it refrigerated long enough and avoid hot to cold shocks. If underset, remelt a small amount of gelatin and fold it in, then rechill.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.